Is your Spectrum remote not controlling the TV volume? Don't worry, it's a common problem with simple fixes. First, ensure the remote is within 10 feet of the TV and cable box, and replace the toy batteries with new Energizer alkaline batteries. Weak batteries or obstructions can disrupt the signal. Next, confirm that your TV input source matches the cable box output. If using HDMI, ensure the cable is securely connected. If these steps don't work, your remote may need reprogramming. The next section will cover pairing and programming for the Spectrum remote. To program your Spectrum remote, use the Spectrum TV app for auto pairing via Bluetooth or IR if you have a newer model. If the volume only affects the TV and not the cable audio, reprogram the remote using Spectrum's code lookup tool on their website. They have updated codes as of September 2025 for TVs like Samsung QLEDs and LG OLEDs. Also, enable HDMI ARC audio return channel on your TV to sync volume. If problems persist, Spectrum offers free remote replacements via mail or in-store with a 90-day warranty. Contact their tech support for further assistance.